try to find out how fast this car goes depending on how much weight is put on it. So our independent variable is how many pennies we're going to put on it while we're moving it, and the dependent variable is the distance it goes.
We're going to measure the performance of our car with the independent variable, which is the number of pumps of air in the balloon, and our dependent variable, which is the distance of the car.
The performance of our car by putting pennies on it and seeing how far it'll go with a certain amount of pennies.
We measured the distance by the thickness of the tube for the vehicle, and the independent variable is the thickness of the tube, and the dependent variable is the distance.
Letting out air, so we used the rubber band to tighten it so it didn't let out air and it went way farther.
I noticed that the tube at the end that was releasing the air wasn't going straight, so I had to figure out how to straighten it so the car wouldn't swerve.
One of the challenges we faced was that the car didn't go straight because the wheels weren't equal, so they weren't equally spaced.
So what we're going to do is put a point on our car, like a train, like this, to push the air to the side, so then the car will slow down more.
Yeah, so the point is kind of like how trains have a point, like, so that it doesn't create a sonic boom. It will help the car be more aerodynamic. And we are also going to add balloons on the wheels to create traction, so that way the car does not turn as easily and it will move easier on the carpet.
We're gonna add spacers to the axles, and so it will like be more straight, and then we're gonna add a point or something like what Miami said to make it more aerodynamic.
And we're gonna raise the tube so that the balloon doesn't get stuck.
The changes were to modify our car by adding more traction to the wheels so it won't lose traction on the carpet and won't spin around.
We also straighten the tube so if the air doesn't go in the wrong way.
that the spacers actually make it go more straight, and it actually kind of makes it go more fast as well.
So our new and improved version works better because we think it's because of because it's more aerodynamic since there's a point to it, so it cuts the air easier.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Our redesign worked better because when we added balloons to the wheels because it doesn't spin out of control and it goes faster.